Hi, I'm Suzanne from Sicard RV. Today we're going to go over some exterior and interior features of our 2021 Jay Flight SLX 7 174BH. Some of the exterior features are exterior storage, assist handle, awning with LED lights, and a power outlet. Some of the interior features are this really nice counter space, 2-burner cooktop, refrigerator, microwave, lots of storage. We have a dinette, a lot more storage, a queen size bed, air conditioner, and a ceiling vent. At the back of the unit, you'll see 2 single beds. That top bunk will hold 300 pounds, the bottom bunk will hold 600 pounds. In the bathroom, we have a 2-piece bath, tub and shower, and toilet. Thank you for watching our tour. For more information, please contact us at sales@sicardrv.com.